We are less than a week away from Christmas, meaning Santa will soon travel to houses around the world. Happening this morning, though, he's making a quick stop at UPMC Harrisburg via helicopter. Fox 43 Sedona Meadows joins us now from the hospital in Dauphin County with more on the event. Good morning, Sedona.
Good morning. That's right, Jackie. So in just a couple hours, Santa's going to be trading the reindeer for a Stat Medevac helicopter. So definitely a quick way to get to the hospital and see these kids, see the staff. I'm here with Dr. Becky Smith, who's a pediatrician here at UPMC Harrisburg. Dr. Smith, tell us a little bit about what's going on here today.
Today is like one of the best days in the hospital. No family wants to be in the hospital. They don't ever want to be sick over the holidays. But when you are here over the holidays, we really do it up right. So Santa will come, Santa will give out gifts to the kids. There's a lot of activities that happen during the day today, both on the pediatric ward as well as throughout the rest of the hospital.
Oh, that is wonderful. And so I know this is not the first time you guys have done this event. What kind of impact does this have on both patients and staff?
Yeah, that's a great question. I mean, for patients, that's the easy one, right? Like you just see these little kids' eyes light up when they see Santa showing up. Of course, they love the little gifts that they get as well. Last year, it was a book the night before Christmas, which was really super cool. But like even for the staff, this is just invigorating. You know, I think sometimes people don't think about the fact that every holiday, there's someone here taking care of kids, missing their family time to be here with the kids who are sick. And so this reinvigorates us to make it through holiday work so that we can still have the joy of Christmas, but potentially be here in the hospital with the kids who need it.
Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful answer. And I wanted to ask you, what is your favorite part of the job? Because you see a lot, you deal with a lot, but what's your favorite part?
I mean, I just love the kids. I mean, I think this is the answer that every pediatrician gives, but we were talking about this before. I mean, kids, even when they're sick, are fun, they're silly. I get to be an expert on things like SpongeBob and the Marvel Universe, things that other people, may laugh about, but it keeps my job light, even though we take care of some really incredibly sick kids here.
Yeah, definitely. And I understand that, obviously Santa's going to be here. I heard some dogs are going to be here as well.
Yes, there's a dog parade today. Santa has an elf that's coming, so it should be a great day here at UPMC in Harrisburg.
Oh my gosh, it sounds wonderful, and I cannot wait to see all of this in action. A couple hours from now, he'll be landing here. So awesome! Thank you so much, Dr. Smith. We're going to check back with you in an hour and maybe see an elf as well.
Sounds great. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me here. So Jackie, definitely a great way to get into the holiday spirit, and I'm so excited to see Santa land and also just see the patients light up when they see him through the halls and the windows.
So what do you think is a cooler ride to have, Sedona? Do you arrive on the sleigh or do you arrive via helicopter?
I feel like it depends on the environment. I mean, this just makes sense. Like it's a quick way to get there. I don't know. I mean, I think the reindeer have some competition.
Yeah, I mean, listen, it makes sense. They have a helipad there at the hospital.
Yeah.
That makes more sense.
Right.
Most homes, you only have a roof. So gotta allow the reindeers up there. All right, well, thank you so much, Sedona. We'll check back with you in our next hour.